OnePlus 9 series. Here's everything we know so far about the next flagship series from OnePlus. OnePlus had a pretty monumental 2020. The company started it off with the launch of its first true flagship smartphone, the OnePlus 8 Pro, which was followed by the company's first mid-ranger in 5 years, the OnePlus Nord. OnePlus then further expanded its portfolio to include a couple of budget-friendly devices in the Nord lineup, and the company even dipped its toes in the TWS earbuds space. This year, we're expecting the company to dial things up a notch and bring some much-needed refinements to its wide range of products, starting with its flagship lineup for 2021, the OnePlus 9 series. OnePlus is expected to unveil the OnePlus 9 series sometime next month, and the series is rumored to feature 3 devices this time. Over the last few months, we've seen plenty of leaks about these devices, and here's everything we know about them so far. OnePlus 9 series, release date shortly after the launch of the OnePlus 8T last year, we saw the first leak about the OnePlus 9 series. The leak revealed that OnePlus was planning on launching its next-gen flagship devices 4 weeks ahead of schedule. If that is, in fact, the case, the OnePlus 9 series could be unveiled sometime next month. While OnePlus has neither confirmed nor denied this rumor, Samsung's move to launch the Galaxy S21 series much earlier than usual gives OnePlus plenty of reason to prepone its timeline as well. OnePlus 9 series, regular, Pro, and Lite variants. Unlike previous years, OnePlus is expected to launch 3 new devices as part of the OnePlus 9 series: the regular OnePlus 9, the flagship OnePlus 9 Pro, and a more affordable OnePlus 9 Lite. While we've already seen plenty of leaks confirming the existence of the OnePlus 9 and the OnePlus 9 Pro, details about the OnePlus 9 Lite have been scarce so far. Rumors suggest that the affordable flagship will either be called the OnePlus 9 Lite or the OnePlus 9e, and that it will feature similar hardware to the OnePlus 8T. It's also worth noting that the OnePlus 9 series is, most likely, codenamed Lemonade, according to evidence spotted in the settings APK from Open Beta 3 for the OnePlus 8 series late last year. The lineup will include 5 variants, including Lemonade, Lemonade V, Lemonade V, Lemonade P, and Lemonade PT. Based on our understanding of OnePlus codenames, we believe that these devices would be Lemonade, OnePlus 9 Lemonade, T-Mobile OnePlus 9 Lemonade V, Verizon OnePlus 9 Lemonade P, OnePlus 9 Pro Lemonade PT, T-Mobile OnePlus 9 Pro. The existence of 5 variants has also been confirmed by a separate leak, which lists the model numbers of the devices. According to the leak, the OnePlus 9 will go by the model numbers LE2110, LE2117, and LE2110, and the OnePlus 9 Pro will go by the model numbers LE2120 and LE2127. As of now, we haven't been able to confirm the codename or model number for the OnePlus 9 Lite 9e. Design. Over the last few months, we've seen several leaked live images and renders of the OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro that have given us a good look at their updated design. Here's a brief overview of everything we've learned from the leaked images so far. OnePlus 9. We got our first look at the OnePlus 9 in November last year when leaked renders of the device first popped up online. The renders revealed that the OnePlus 9 would feature a new back panel design, more in line with other phones that we've seen in the last couple of months. As you can see in the attached image, the device features a new rectangular camera island in the top right corner with 3 sensors and an LED flash. Over on the front, the OnePlus 9 features a flat display with a hole punch cutout for the selfie camera in the top left corner. The leak also revealed that the OnePlus 9 would feature a 6.55-inch display that will offer a